Hi everyone, and welcome to this drawing video. And today I'm going to be drawing Kaneki and Rize Kamishiro from the Tokyo Ghoul series. This series is a very popular anime series all across the world, and so many people like this. But I'm going to tell you a little bit of background about these two and how I'm drawing them together as lovers. But I'm not sure if you guys are all aware, but Rize actually was attracted to Ken because Ken is just so appealing to everyone, and him being himself. He's perfect for Rize. Both of them shared many interests, and then they decided to go on a date. Rize actually tried to hunt him down, but then failed, and at the end, Ken was really injured, went to a hospital where this doctor decided to transplant Rize's organs into him, so it was just kind of very gruely. So that's the story of how they actually were really together. It was just kind of a one-time date, and Rize tried to kill Ken. You know, that's kind of how this story in Tokyo Ghoul goes. It's a very demonic and quite evil kind of anime style, but it's very nice and very cool to watch. So these two made a very good couple in Tokyo Ghoul, but obviously have their large differences. So this drawing, I use so many materials. We're going to get right back to the drawing. As you can see, I'm doing the outline right now of Ken and Rize. The outline itself took roughly around an hour and a half to do, because I'm trying to make this as precise and perfect as I can. Now we're going to go on to the Copic Outline. In the Copic Outliner, I used a whole bunch of different outliners, from a 0.003mm all the way up to a 0.01. A 0.1. There are so many different types of Copic Outliners that I want to use for this drawing, because I want to make sure that the lines just add up really well, flow with each other, and the hair is just flowing on Ken and Rize. So the outline itself also took me about another hour and a half. So now I'm going to be working on the face of Rize Kamishiro. I used a very, very light Copic marker for this one. It's the E000. It's the lightest you can possibly get. It's perfect for anime skin tones. Then I used a T pink, a little bit of pink, and some burnt sienna down and toward the eye part. And then the eyes were mainly vermilion red and a cherry chapstick red. So that's what I used for the face of Rize. Now the hair, oh, the hair is very fun. I used a violet and a blue violet. throughout the whole entire drawings of the hair of Rize, in which the violet is actually a V09S violet, and the blue violet is a BV08S. So that's what I used for the hair of Rize. The hair took a while because you have to make the hair flow with each other, and then add the blacks where it's needed, add the pink where it's needed, add all of the different Copic marker colors where it is needed on the hair. So Rize took quite a while to draw, a lot longer than Ken, because of the definition I had to put in her. So now I'm going to be going on to Ken's hair. Now Ken's hair, I used a whole bunch of different grays. I mean all of the grays you can possibly think of. I went from a C1 gray to a C3 gray to a C5, C4, all of the different color grays I've been melting in the C variety. Because I wanted to make sure that there is plenty of variation in the hair of Ken Kaneki. Now, because you can't make it just kind of plain and that, well, you really can, but having all the different features and all the colors in his hair really shines and makes the drawing. And also I added a little bit of a blue effect on the left side of the hair. As you see, it's very, very nice. So that's really what I did with Ken. It was quite simple, but it took a long time because the process was just absolutely crazy the way I had to do it, because I had to blend all of the markers together. And now the rest of Ken is quite simple, using all pinks, all blacks, just really blending him together, blending his mask, making everything shine. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this drawing, because it was just so much fun drawing Tokyo Ghoul. I love drawing it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this drawing of Kaneki and Rize Kamishiro, because it was a very fun drawing to do. It took about 5 hours and 15 minutes, roughly. Now that's a long time to be working on a drawing, especially an anime drawing. I just wanted to make sure that it was perfect. And as you see, the layers of black I'm going through, I went through about 4 Sharpies of layers. It was just ridiculous. I had to make the blacks perfect. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you like these types of videos. I will be posting every other Monday and every single Friday. So thank you so much.